Hello everyone, this is Narendash Parak. Welcome to Professor's ICT Care. In this playlist, I want to share you some shortcut technique on Microsoft Office program. Several Microsoft Office program like Microsoft Word, Excel or PowerPoint. Because Microsoft Office program is really vast used software today. If you are a student or a content writer or any other job holder, I hope you use Microsoft Office program, several Microsoft Office program such as Word, Excel or PowerPoint. So I hope all the videos of this playlist can help you to reduce your workload. So let's start today with a shortcut technique on Microsoft Word program. So at first I open the Microsoft Word and I just copy some text from internet and paste it here. So sometime we need to delete some word or some character from our article, and that's in this case we use the backspace of our keyboard and it just delete one character at a time, and it's just annoying for us. So if we want to delete one word at a time, we just have to use a shortcut Ctrl and Backspace. I just collect an image for you, which is here. You can see you have to press Ctrl and Backspace concurrently for this type of facilities. Just see here, I use Backspace, and for it I can remove one character at a time. When I press Ctrl and Backspace, it's just remove one word at a time. It reduces your workload. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.